Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. If you're new here, my name is Mark and I typically talk about photography, camera gear, travel, and pretty much whatever else I feel like. But today I'm gonna be testing the difference between the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro's wide cameras. All right, so we've got 12 Pro and we've got the 11 Pro, and you can already see there's a huge difference in the light that you're getting out of the widest camera in the 12 Pro compared to the 11 Pro. All right, so this is just like a little side-by-side walk through the apartment, testing a little stabilization. Let's look at what the dynamic range looks like. Can we see the buildings outside and inside? Like, how is the iPhone doing at both of those things? Now, if I do one of these, can we see outside and my face and the apartment? Like, how good is that range? Have these windows blown out yet? I don't know. We'll look when we edit this. All right, thanks for joining me on these iPhone 12 videos. Happy to get them out to you right away. I wish I was somebody who got phones earlier, but until then, maybe you can help me out by giving a like on this video or leaving a comment down below. Maybe comment along on the community and hitting that subscribe button. Like, hey, come hang out with some camera nerds and, you know, I don't know, like I'm just talking to myself here and here we all are. So hi, yeah, thanks for watching this video. It's iPhone day, the best Friday.